ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video on this channel here. And today's video, I'm going to be vlogging my final year of university. So I think it's like mid semester of my first semester of final year. This is going to be intense and also a very important time to be, because I've already completed 3 years of my degree. Now, let's just get into it. Let's just stay productive and let's just stay disciplined. Let's get into this. Yes, I have arrived in uni. So here it is. My campus behind me. I know it's not clear. And it's around about 8:15, so this is the earliest time, but I have been to before I lecture, because I have a lecture at 9 a.m. and well, great weather. Hi, I'm in uni.
Hi.
And what's your name?
Viva.
Viva, of course.
We're here with Abraham.
Yes, and we are final year students.
Yeah, we're doing it. We're getting through. We're like halfway through.
Yeah, we are like halfway through the semester.
But yeah.
Yeah.
Long day.
Long day. It's a long day. How did it go?
It went well.
It went well, yeah. So went well into the group.
We got some good ideas.
We got some good ideas.
Yeah.
Hopefully for next
Make
week.
a great app then.
Lecture and workshop finish. Interesting. We're just gonna go to Costco to buy some stuff before I head home. It's been an enjoyable morning, Monday morning, obviously, and I think this should do as well. So let's just get through it and get through final year, because I got some stuff going on already. That's a huge thing to carry. Oh my gosh. Not with one hand into this trolley. I think I can. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Here. The rice. I'm back in my room. Done the lectures and workshops, as well as the shopping to sort things out in-house, but I'm back just to be in my room, be with myself again. And today it has been a very productive day, engaged into the sessions and also back into proper academic life. And I just feel like that I'm in education again after being over a year out, and I would like to explain you what has been going on throughout the last year and how did I integrate back into university life. If you don't know me, I study at Cardiff Metropolitan University and I started my degree back in 2022, which was, 3 years ago, and I'm in my 3rd year. And things that unusually change throughout, it's by choice, not by what has happened to me negatively. Yes, there were positives, but also negatives as well, because I just want to say that I was supposed to graduate last July, but in God's grace, I'll graduate next year. And the reason for this is because I actually took a placement year, which for the last 12 months after completing my second year, I undertook an internship for 12 months. It was amazing, and I learned how the business works and so on, and contribute to some amazing projects, which therefore it did somehow align into the degree that I'm doing, which I'm very satisfied about. Unfortunately though, because I know not a lot of students from my university, from my course, from my department who actually did an internship. So when I arrived back into university, there were a lot of students who started uni back in 2023. Yes, I was a year behind, but it's just feel like empty when I entered into my first lecture, where there are students that I have no idea who, except for one student that I knew who started uni back in 2022. I just feel so different. I just don't really know what was going on. I just feel like I'm in silence with someone who were in the same position, and things just really to be new, especially myself being in final year. My peers have graduated back last July, like nearly all of my peers did that, but it's just so new that I was just struggling just to really adapt, to integrate into the new environment. I also had support with my lecturers, that they still recognize me, and they still really ask me the questions like how's your placement or something, and also saying it's nice to see you again after being a long time out of university. And first of all, it made me feel like I was like reassured that you're not alone. They are there to support me. And even there was another student I've already mentioned who actually did a placement year, and when I saw him, I just told myself, I am not alone. This really shows that I'm not graduating alone, who started university back in 2022. And things just started to get easier throughout. I managed to integrate into a new environment, and I know that my peers have already graduated and moved on with their lives. I know that few have degrees to finish up, but when I entered into a classroom, a lecture, when I found someone who does the same course as me, and there was, and of course I have to thank two of the students who came in to my blog just to say something, and one girl who came in does the same course as me, and there are some students in the class. I just really feel better when I was surrounded with them, when I was being sociable with the group. Of course, that when I met one of my course mates, we just decided to have a chat together. We decided to socialize together. We just went out, and I just really feel to myself, I just don't have to feel the loneliness that I had when I started uni back. It's so hard to be when you took a year out, you go back in, and you have to speak to new people. I just have to thank for a few people, and also for two who were in my vlog. I just really feel that life is much better now, and well, that's the excellent part of it, and I really appreciate you all. That's it for today. Hope you do enjoy this video. I'll be doing more of university vlogs on this channel, and maybe some studying, or maybe some logging in videos, which I might do on my channel, or maybe outside university in a city where I just get to explore the city again. What an experience that I had throughout my time in uni, to make friends with these people, and to have that network connections inside the company, which I really enjoyed it. And if you do like this video, make sure to like this and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Peace out.